Let's start. Today we will see how to programmatically find out if a stock has given a dividend or not. Let's see the code. This is an indicator function with the name, stock dividend. Here we call the request.dividends function. The first argument of this function is the current stock name. The second argument is the dividend type. There are two types, gross and net. We have chosen gross so that all kinds of dividends can be caught by our code. The third and fourth arguments of this function handle the gaps and the bar merge. Here we pinpoint the exact day when the dividend occurred. Once the dividend day is found, we color that candle green. Let's add this indicator to the chart. I'm on the Wipro stock chart right now. The trading view shows circular blue color D marks under those candles, where this stock has given dividends. And our indicator perfectly finds that day out and colors that candle in green background. Let's see some other stock. Now I'm on the Coca-Cola stock chart. This stock is very well known for giving dividends generously, so you can see that the entire chart is filled with green vertical lines. One more thing. If you want to know how I got these circular blue D marks on the chart, then, right-click on the chart and click Settings. Then go to the Events option. And select the Dividends on the chart option. Now you can see such dividend marks on your chart also. So that's it. That's how you can programmatically find out if a stock has given a dividend or not. Thank you.